Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Are you looking for the best Bluetooth OBD2 scanners? In this video, we will look at some of the 5 best Bluetooth OBD2 scanners on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check the user to see which one is in your budget range. Studying at Top 1. TOPDON TopScan Lite Scanner Smart Diagnostic Tool. The TOPDON TopScan Lite Scanner is a versatile and powerful diagnostic tool designed for car owners and DIY enthusiasts. With its compact, user-friendly design and Bluetooth connectivity, it transforms your smartphone into a full-fledged diagnostic center. The TopScan Lite supports a wide range of vehicles, offering OBD2 diagnostics across major systems such as engine, transmission, ABS, SRS, and more. Its advanced features, like live data streaming, freeze-frame analysis, and a built-in DTC repair guide, empower users to quickly identify and resolve issues without expensive trips to the mechanic. One of the standout features of the TopScan Lite is its DTC repair guide, which provides detailed explanations of fault codes and step-by-step solutions. This makes it ideal for both beginners and experienced users looking to troubleshoot problems efficiently. The tool also supports real-time data monitoring and offers functions like EVAP system tests and O2 sensor tests, giving users deeper insights into their vehicle's health. Compact, affordable, and easy to use, the TOPDON TopScan Lite is an excellent investment for anyone seeking a smart, portable diagnostic solution to keep their car running smoothly. Top 2. 2025 Thinkcar Thinksafe OBD2 Bluetooth Scanner. The 2025 Thinkcar Thinksafe OBD2 Bluetooth Scanner is a versatile and intelligent diagnostic tool designed for car owners and DIY mechanics. With Bluetooth connectivity, it turns your smartphone into a powerful car diagnostic center, supporting both Android and iOS devices. This scanner provides full system diagnostics, scanning major systems such as engine, transmission, ABS, SRS, and more across a wide range of vehicle makes and models. What makes the Thinksafe stand out is its bidirectional active testing capability. You can send commands to the vehicle's components, like windows, throttle, or ABS pump, to check their functionality, which is a feature typically found in high-end tools. Additionally, it includes 6 essential reset functions, including oil reset, EPB reset, ABS bleeding, SAS reset, TPMS reset, and throttle adaptation, making it an excellent choice for routine maintenance and repairs. The Thinksafe's user-friendly app offers clear diagnostic reports, live data, and code explanations, making it easy for beginners to understand and professionals to work efficiently. Compact and easy to use, the Thinkcar Thinksafe OBD2 Bluetooth Scanner is a cost-effective solution that empowers you to take control of your car's health and save time and money on repairs. Top 3. Automaxicom MK808BT Pro OBD2 Scan. The Automaxicom MK808BT Pro OBD2 Scanner is a powerful, versatile diagnostic tool designed for both professional mechanics and automotive enthusiasts. Packed with advanced features, it supports full system diagnostics for over 80 vehicle makes and models worldwide. With Bluetooth connectivity, it offers wireless freedom, allowing you to move around the vehicle while performing scans. The MK808BT Pro reads and clears trouble codes, retrieves live data, performs special functions like oil reset, EPB, SAS calibration, and more. Its intuitive 7-inch touchscreen interface, Android-based system, and powerful hardware make it user-friendly and efficient. Compared to models like the MK808KBT and MK808S, the MK808BT Pro offers enhanced performance with faster processing speed and smoother operation. It's a cost-effective alternative that packs premium features without breaking the bank. The scanner includes automatic VIN identification for quick and accurate vehicle selection, and regular software updates ensure compatibility with the latest vehicle models and technologies. Whether you're a professional technician or a DIYer, the Autel MK808BT Pro is a reliable companion for troubleshooting and maintaining vehicles. It saves time, increases efficiency, and provides the confidence to tackle even complex automotive issues with ease. Top 4. KINGBOLEN S6 OBD Automotive Scanner Bluetooth. The KINGBOLEN S6 OBD Automotive Scanner is a versatile and powerful Bluetooth-enabled diagnostic tool designed for both professional mechanics and car enthusiasts. It supports full system diagnostics, allowing you to read and clear fault codes from multiple vehicle systems including engine, ABS, SRS, TPMS, and more. This scanner stands out with over 28 reset functions such as oil reset, battery management system, BMS, reset, MMO key programming, ABS bleeding, and steering angle sensor, says, calibration, making it a comprehensive all-in-one solution for vehicle maintenance and repair. Equipped with AutoVin technology, the KINGBOLEN S6 automatically identifies the vehicle's make, model, and year, streamlining diagnostics for faster and more accurate results. The 5.99-inch HD touchscreen runs on Android 10, with 2GB RAM and 32GB storage, offering smooth operation and an intuitive user experience. It also features live data streaming from multiple sensors simultaneously, aiding in thorough vehicle health analysis. Compatible with over 90 OBD2 compliant car brands worldwide, this tool covers most cars manufactured after 1996, US, 2000, EU, and 2005, Asia. Best of all, it offers lifetime free updates, ensuring it stays current with the latest vehicle models and diagnostic protocols. The KINGBOLEN S6 is an excellent investment for anyone serious about automotive diagnostics and maintenance. Top 5. Muker DriverScan OBD2 Scanner Bluetooth. The Muker DriverScan OBD2 Scanner Bluetooth is a powerful and versatile diagnostic tool designed to bring professional-grade vehicle diagnostics right to your fingertips. Compatible with all OBD2 compliant vehicles, this advanced scanner supports bidirectional communication and offers OE-level all-system diagnostics, making it ideal for both DIY enthusiasts and professional mechanics. Equipped with Bluetooth connectivity, the DriverScan pairs seamlessly with your smartphone or tablet, allowing you to perform comprehensive vehicle health checks wirelessly via an intuitive mobile app. It covers all major vehicle systems, including engine, transmission, ABS, airbag, and more, ensuring you get a complete snapshot of your vehicle's status. This scanner goes beyond basic error code reading with 15 service functions, such as oil reset, APB, battery registration, DPF regeneration, and throttle adaptation, among others. These features allow you to perform advanced maintenance tasks, helping prolong vehicle life and save costly trips to the mechanic. Compact and user-friendly, the Muker DriverScan is perfect for quick diagnostics or in-depth troubleshooting. Whether you want to clear fault codes, monitor real-time data, or maintain your vehicle's performance, this Bluetooth OBD2 scanner is an essential tool for every car owner.